I'm worried about is our driveway is like hilly. See it leaning?
That's why I was worried.
Hey y'all, so I thought I'd put together bits and pieces of behind the scenes for the new studio. I am going to put together the video for the studio journal, and I also have some planner journal flip through kind of stuff. I'm going to do a chat, a voiceover with that, because I filmed it. There were some things going on, a hammering and stuff like that, because David is doing stuff in the new studio. And so I thought I'd do a voiceover once it's quiet because I didn't want to have all that hammering and stuff in the video. So this is just a quick behind the scenes the day that they delivered it. Now, before he put this over here, he did have to move our little metal shed. But I didn't film that. So as you can see, we had trees cut down. We are still in the process of, we got to get rid of some of the tree trunks, but we are slowly but surely cleaning everything up. I am still trying to decide what kind of steps I want to do, if I want to do like a little deck or if I want to do actual steps. Right now we just have concrete blocks in front of it, but that's not going to work for very long. You can see where we had the pool and the burn spot. We've got a lot of different things that we are doing, and the neighbor is, he's already repaired part of the fence. He hasn't repaired all of it, but he is who took down our trees. It made it much easier for him to leave that part of the fence down while he took a lot of the tree stuff over to his yard, because he sold the firewood and stuff, and that was cool with us. We didn't need it. We don't have a fireplace. So I hope that you enjoy this. I hope that you like the pictures. I did sort of put a few where I'm trying to decide between one color of flooring and the other color of flooring. And I did put in where I was doing some stuff in the studio. That is Selena's car seat, the booster seat that I'm sitting in. I have lost enough weight to actually sit in that, y'all. My stomach is still on and off a little poochy, depending. That's what the stomach doctor is working on. But otherwise, I'm feeling pretty good about everything that's going on. I'm feeling pretty good about the weight loss, and I'm feeling pretty good about what we're doing. And the busier I am, the better. And we're starting to get really busy because we have quite a bit to do. We wanted to accumulate some of the stuff we needed because we're not able to buy everything at once. So I hope you enjoy. I'll see you again real soon. Bye, y'all. Have a good one.